Project management is the process of organizing and managing resources in order to complete a specific task or achieve a particular goal. It typically involves setting goals, creating a plan to achieve these goals, and then using various tools and techniques to monitor progress and ensure that the project stays on track. The project management is a crucial skill in many fields, including business, engineering, and construction, and can help organizations complete projects efficiently and effectively. By carefully planning and executing a project, organizations can increase their chances of success and deliver a high quality results for its clients or stakeholders. The best source to getting to know about the various concepts and jargon required to not only understand questions in the exam but also use them would be the PMBOK, as they are used frequently in professional project management environment. The PMBOK, although some may refer to it as a glossary of items, will at least help you familiarize yourself with the concepts and jargon that you will need. In PMBOK 6th edition, the first three chapters are reserved to lay out most common concepts used frequently in a project management environment. Whereas in PMBOK 7th edition, however, the first introductory chapter with system for value delivery and project performance domains and the appendices from X2 to X5 will lay out the project management concepts and how they have been updated, keeping in mind the existing project management environment. The aspiring project managers are requested to thoroughly familiarize themselves with each and every concept. Same can be said for those who have already acquired a PMP certification and are looking to refresh their knowledge about the current trends and methods of project management. The PMI's PMP exam contains numerous questions testing you on your knowledge and applications of the old as well as the newly acquired concepts.